Serious DIY demands a serious circular saw, like this HP brushless model from RYOBI. If your timber construction or creation needs fast, clean cuts, this circular saw's increased motor speed, up to 4,500 RPM, will help deliver the results you're after. Its powerful brushless motor, combined with a cutting depth of up to 62mm in a single pass, can handle everything from benchtops right up to garden sleepers. Plus, it's capable of performing bevel cuts up to 56 degrees, well beyond the standard 45 degrees of many other circular saws, which makes it ideal when renovating and trying to match existing angles. It's tough too, with a die-cast metal body, and for added accuracy, it has a fully adjustable depth gauge. It also has a dust extraction port that can easily be connected to a shop vac for a safer workspace indoors. This circular saw is part of RYOBI's ONE HP series of tools that utilise advanced technologies, like brushless motors that deliver higher performance, extended battery runtimes, and longer motor life. These tools are ideal for tough conditions, and yet they still use ONE 18V batteries. They also have superior ergonomics for a premium user experience. So in the past, if your old saw has struggled to cross-cut or rip thick boards, posts and sleepers, get a hold of the 18V ONE HP brushless circular saw from RYOBI.
RYOBI, a cut above.